वेंचणुको लागीं पावल्यात, ताका लागून विरोधक ल्हान ल्हान विशय मोठे करपाक सोदता। विरोधक आतां धर्मावयल्यान गोंयांत फूट घालपाक सोदता। चर्चीक आदल्यो नोटी कितल्यो आसात त्यो दाखय म्हळ्यार कांयच वायट न्हय। चर्चीक ताचो कसलो त्रास जावचो ना अशें म्हणत क्रिस्तांव भावांनी विरोधकांच्या विधानाक बळी पडचे न्हय अशें आव्हान आमदार निलेश काब्राल हांणी केलां। आडे सुकवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
वर्तमानपत्राचे लास्ट 2 दिसाक एक रिलिजियस सेंटिमेंटाक एक नोटीसीचेर करता आनी म्हाका दिसता आज हे तुमचे कडल्यान कळोवपाक जाय। आज नोटीसी जी आसा म्हज्या हातीर नोटीसी आसा आनी हे नोटीस इज अ सिमिलर नोटीस विच इज बीन गिवन टू द कॅथलीक चर्च अशें जे पेपराची बातमी येता जे ऑपोजिशन लिडर आनी जे ऑपोजिशन पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जे हायलायट करूंक सोदता। आज म्हजे कडेन नोटीस आसा डेटेड 15/11/2016 द मॅनेजिंग ट्रस्टी PWD लेबर सोसायटी ग्राउंड फ्लोर PWD ऑफिसर Alcino गोवा subject demonetization of 500 rupees 1000 rupees notes calling for information regarding cash balances regarding आता हेजे पण इशू कित्याक घेवन ना तेका अजून हेजे घेवपाक जाय न्ही इशू जाल्यार हे आज कितें जाला आज इलेक्शन लागीं पावल्या आनी ऑपोजिशन क्रिएट करूंक सोदता। हांव म्हज्या गोंयचे जनतेक कडेन मागता की दिशाभूल जावपाक जायना स्पेशली कॅथलीक भाव भयणां कडेन की दिशाभूल करपाक इलेक्शनाच्या टायमार दिशाभूल करपाक लोक येता। आता what is this act? Which is this act which is हे करता? It is an act where म्हाका दिसता जे charitable trust we have registration in three types of charitable trust. One is the charitable trust with a charitable organization, दूसरा educational trust and एक business house trust असता। These three charitable institutions are governed by 12A and religious trust. These are the trusts which have to be who are governed by this section, and this was done in 1973 on 1st April 1973. It is आताचे नाही। This type of things continuously go. आणि एक लक्षात दवरपाक जाय की in this हेजे बद्दल जे आता गैरफहमी जाता की इगर्जीक जे नोटिसीस पावल्या एकूच आर्च बिशप डायोसिस जे आसा तांकां ती नोटीस पावल्या। आता हांगा इगर्जी जी आसा दे ऑल कम्बाइंड अंडर वन आर्च डायोसिस and as a Catholic I know that there is collection on every Sunday or other days of collection where some quantum of the money which is collected goes to the central archbishopric and there is a quantum की बारीक सो जे आसा that remains with the particular church for taking the well-being of that church. ना आता हे म्हाका दिसता माझे ते कोण ऑपोजिशन जे आसा तांकां खबर ना ते कशें चलता ते इगर्ज। So in this what happens that all this money collected together is deposited by archbishop in the account. Now when this type of money, this is cash form of amount. Every cash form of amount, a notice which is here in माझे हातीन आसा periodic आसा similar notice has been gone there की whatever 500 and 1000 rupee notes what we have तुम्ही सांगा म्हणून। So I don't see what is wrong with this. It is not to penalize any church. आता गोंयान बाकीचे जे इन्स्टिट्यूशन आसा दे आर स्मॉल इन्स्टिट्यूशन जशें आमचे महालक्ष्मी टेम्पल जालें वा खंयचे टेम्पल वा आमचे सगळे टेम्पल जे आसा दे आर स्मॉल इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स and they don't combine with other temples and form an institution. And ही सगळी institution they come under the purview of the collector. They come under the Mahajan Act, what is of 1960, which is Portuguese Act जो आसा. And the government takes care of these accounts. Like Tirupati also is run by Andhra Pradesh government. The collector is supervising Tirupati. But there are other devasthans where also who have received notices in India, like the Bhagwati temple in Kotiana. Then there is, I think, there is notice issued to Budh Gaya temple in Madhumani temple. There are so many others. I don't want to give all names. But the impression that create केले आसा and it is given for a church. It is a normal IT act which normally is gone a circular. Like I told you one, there are so many with me. Where in Goa, other than the temples, they have all people have got. Is to खंय तरी पैसे कलेक्ट करता ते बँकात डिपॉझिट करा आणि कितले तुमच्याकडे आसा ते सांगा. So what is wrong with this? And म्हाका खबर आसा church as far as I know church does not take any money. It is all donation. So what is wrong in church to declare what is there? आज जे ते क्रिएट करता थोडे आमचे आमदार पडिल्ले आमदार आणि आताचे आमदार ते नाका असले दिशाभूल करपाचो एक सेंटेन्स वापरता की इगर्जीक धाडले पूण आज तुमकां दिसता हें क्लॅरिफिकेशन दाखयल्लें आसा म्हाका दिसता तुमी मातशें पळोवपाक जाय दॅट दीस इज नॉट ओन्ली फॉर द जज बट इज फॉर एवरीबडी